fifth grade, today is Tuesday. However, we did not start our mentor sentence work yesterday because you guys were working on your memoirs. So we're going to start with Monday musing, even though it's Tuesday, and we're going to get ourselves caught up by Thursday. Okay, so I only want you to work on the Monday musing activity today. You're going to look at our mentor sentence. Let me get there. I dove on those papers like Sherlock Holmes on a cappuccino binge. And this mentor sentence is from Drums, Girls, and Dangerous Pie by Jordan Sonnenblick. All right, so when you are working on your Monday musing list, so you're making a list of all the things you notice about this week's sentence, remember that you're taking into consideration these 8 things, okay? So don't skip anything. Use those reference pages if you need to, and really make a good, thorough list. I'm going to have you go ahead and pause the video in just a moment. Then I'm going to ask you to go ahead and do your Monday musing activity and typing your list in the blue text box. And then you're going to want to come back to this video and I will share the sentence that we used in class, or not the sentence, I apologize, the list that I shared with our in-person class. That way you can compare my list to your list and you can add anything that you didn't notice. All right, guys, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, so you're back, and hopefully you had a good, long, thorough list, at least of 3 or 4 things that you noticed. So I am going to go ahead and drop this in here so you can see my list. I noticed that it was a simple sentence. So there was just a subject and a verb. There were no dependent clauses. It was just one independent clause. I also noticed that we have some proper nouns here. We have some actual names, and that's something that we haven't seen in our mentor sentence for about 2 weeks now. I also noted that they're using a noun, cappuccino, as an adjective because of its involvement in the simile, which brings me to my next bullet point. This sentence is a simile. It is comparing the way that the person that's speaking dove on the papers to Sherlock Holmes on a cappuccino binge. And somebody in my first class asked, what's a binge? What's a cappuccino binge? And so I explained to them a binge is when you would do a lot of something all at one time, that you wouldn't space it out and use moderation. So if he was on a cappuccino binge, it means that he drank a whole bunch of cappuccino at one time. So the simile demonstrates that he was high energy, so to speak, okay? So guys, that's all I have. Hopefully my notes have helped you. If you don't have some of these things or you didn't notice some of these things, go ahead and add them to your list. Obviously, we won't turn it in until Thursday because we aren't done with it until that point. So hope you're having a good day. I love and miss you, and I hope to see you in person soon. Bye.